Kodwa lo Pikachu wena ungena kuphi manje la udwadla va ngoba ngisathi ngiyabheka ngiboni la ungena khona uyathanda ukuyifaka naledi uhlezi uxaba wena nje ufuna ukuxabana wonke umuntu nje wena Pikanina wena sizokuthini ngoba phela wena ngingomela ufocus kukho yabo njengaleli khwapha lakho elalinuke playhouse uqeda kuperform uqashwe yimi nje hey girl umena kabi nje ume kabuhlungu ngathi angazi uminci ugaga yini ay Naledi, I'm not arguing with you unless we argue in English. Yeah, I'm not doing a back and forth with you unless we argue in English. So please reply me in English, then I'll get back to you. Because as far as I'm concerned, I was arguing with Untogozo, understand? So it's just a battle of two people who had a very high metric APS and actually went to varsity, you know? Not just a bachelor's pass to, you know, make our parents happy or excited that I passed metric, you know? So, yeah, unless you argue in English, then let's do it. No, we can do it. I'm down. But as long as we can agree that I'm choosing the outfits. I'm picking the outfit because bonile ukuthi lengane ayikwazi ukuyigqokisa. So as long as we choose our outfits, we can do it. Ngoba lo muntu akwazi ukuyigqokisa ngeke.
Wazi umuntu lo uhambe ngathi uthi ngihambe ngathi njani? Uyabheda yazi ngathi le type le ukuba bone labantu laba abathanda eclassini ukushaya amahlaya ukubona labantu gcina laba abathanda ukushaya amahlaya bebhede labafana banesidina basalelayo emaclassini basenika ihype maseloke nika ihype akakwazi labafana ungidelela mina ngoba engathi nje udinga ukuyohlala angani noma ise old age home but nje udinga ukuyohlala ekhaya nje labadala udinga ukuyohlala ekhaya labadala lo mfana nempandla udinga ukuyohlala ekhaya labadala engathi wakhule efaka ikepisi akakwazi nje mina lo mfana ukungijwayela ngaba akakwazi ungibody shame akakwazi ungibody shame akakwazi ungibody shame mina lo mfana akakwazi ungibody shame lo mfana akakwazi ubody shame mina hayi akwazi mina ungibody shame lo mfana lo akakwazi nje ngoba engathi uyisidalo saNkulunkulu nje akakwazi nje mina lo mfana lo ngathi uyi-premature futhi akakwazi ungijwayela kabi akakwazi nje ungijwayela kabi na i-premature endala bo hayibo nole ikhehla mfana bo mina ungalike futhi abamba uthi kunwane khwapha ayigeke bhuti wami mina ungangibody shame ungalinge nje mina ngizokuface shame mina ngeke ngize kubody shame ngizokuface shame wangempela ngoba kuningi nje ayibona sisiqimdinsi bo soon to be deleted.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So kunenqabano lesikule between uNaledi Aphiwe and Farah Patrick. It's one of the content creator lehlala khona like KZN somewhere ngala bo Durban. So this guy has very well known lapha ku TikTok, and when the video about Ntokozo it's another content creator, when the video about Ntokozo saying ukuthi Ntokozo akaqokanga kahle akakwati gqoka, so uNaledi wangenela tshela guy talaka bhoqo guy wathi nje wena if you wanna argue with me you must argue in English, because we know ukuthi when it comes to English girl adivuki, you didn't even go to varsity wagijimela nje nakuba mquli. I don't know why people like bashing and dragging uNaledi about not knowing English, because girl vele utifunzele ikasi siyathi sifunzele la sigqokela khona ama uniform la yellow washo mambovu, and as long as nje i-life imvuma ugirl tinto takhe tambara it's English uyisabi. So I've noticed ukuthi abantu abaningi they actually like dragging unalady ngaloko bathi akakwati ukukhuluma English nakuma-interviews uphendula ngesiZulu vele uyeva ukuthi i-English ayivuki. And one thing abantu labayikhohlwa nganalady guys, nalady mncane, and all these people laba argue naye, all these people laba mdregako bantu abadzala. So what do you mean when I'm out drag mntalo omncane uthi akayadi English? A very successful person ke sana. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.